Good morning. This is Rachel from Write with Rachel. And this morning I was thinking about all the different types of writing. And there is so much value in different types of writing. And I think one of the most vulnerable types of writing is writing a memorial or an obituary. What kind of tool can I make that will help walk people through creating an obituary or a memorial in a way that is self-paced, that is gentle, that is kind, that honors their loved one's memories, that allows other family members to be involved, and that takes everything that they need and puts it in one place. And so what I've done is I created a new resource for you. This is a free resource and you can download it. It's a Google document. And the name of the resource is called Remembering Someone You Love. It's a worksheet that I've created. This worksheet includes sections where you can record all the information that you need. The information includes the details, for example, the person's name, their surviving family members, this sort of information. But it also has lots of questions to help you capture the person's personality, what they'll be remembered for, what their passions were, what their hobbies were, maybe what they taught you or what you'll miss most about them. And it also includes a guided template to help you go through and fill in the information, as well as an example obituary at the very end.